Hi, my name is Megan Ramos, and this is my capstone experience. So why Azusa Pacific University? Well, I heard from friends that it had a really good credential program and master's program. Enrolling in the digital teaching and learning program was an important decision for me to become an influential 21st century educator. My first master's class was with Bill Selleck. Originally, I was pretty nervous about doing the techie assignments we had. But after seeing how helpful, enthusiastic, and hands-on Bill was, we were able to complete our projects. It was a great introduction into the program, and it really set the tone for the entire master's classes. My action research project tests if working out with a partner or group will increase my fitness consistency. I was working out only once a week before the intervention. Over a 3-week period, I worked out with a partner or group to see if it would help me be more consistent. The workouts were 30 minutes or more of various types of fitness, including running, walking, yoga, and soccer. After the 3 weeks, I found out that working out with a partner really did help. Week 1 and week 2, I worked out 4 times each week, which was my goal. The last week, I got sick and I couldn't work out. In the end, working out with a partner and groups helped me be more consistent and committed to fitness. I made a website for my curricular portfolio. It has my 3-week unit plan, which is called Modeling with Geometry, Geometric Measurement, and Dimensions. It's a 3-week unit plan intended for 8th grade geometry class. Students will be able to apply geometric concepts in modeling situations, explain volume, formulas, and use them to solve problems. This will be done by using various methods, specifically project-based learning. Students will create a real-world problem that compares various volumes, specifically cones, cylinders, and spheres. Using mathematical formulas and measuring devices, students will collect necessary data. Using multitudes of technology tools, they will organize and present their projects. Collaboration is encouraged throughout the unit, including peer support and reflection. This unit plan also focuses on Gardner's multiple intelligences and Bloom's taxonomy. It also covers the Common Core standards and ISTE standards. In the first week of the unit plan, students will make iFlashcards. They will organize these main concepts using MindMeister. They will use Manga High to practice their skills. They will go to mathmistakes.org to determine mistakes and decipher what should have been done correctly. During week 2, students will explore Google Art, and they will start their WebQuest project. I'm a big fan of project-based learning, which is why I incorporated a WebQuest project for my students to do their last week of this unit. During the last 2 weeks of the unit plan, students will be finishing their WebQuests and presenting. They will use Educreations to take notes and solve their calculations. Their data will be organized using numbers. A video will be made using iMovie for their final presentation. And finally, students will reflect on their projects and their peers' projects using Blogger. I've learned so much in this master's program. We've been exposed to a lot of technology that will help us in the classroom. Many of them are apps and websites that can be used to help our students learn. And there are several other apps that help us teachers stay on top of things. These are very useful, and they are always changing, which is why it's important to keep on learning. Just like we teach our students about lifelong learning, we too have to be lifelong learners. My plan for the future is to continue looking at these sites. They're always coming up with great new things, especially when it comes to technology. My favorite would have to be Twitter. I find Twitter very useful. Every day there are other educational professionals who are sharing their favorite things, what they use in their classroom, what they see as being the most effective tools, several of them being technology rich. That sums it up. Thank you for checking out my capstone experience.